महाराज की जय। जय गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि बोल।
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत शिला वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत शिला नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतनाम भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं प्रभुज्य चरण श्रीपाद माधव महाराज, श्रीपाद नारायण महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। हम लोग श्री चैतन्य चरितमृतम पारायण कर रहे हैं, जिसमें आदि लीला षष्ठ परिच्छेद में हम लोग आए हैं। आदि लीला
We are studying Chaitanya Charitamrita.
जिसमें
We have Adi Lila, chapter 6.
श्लोक में हम लोग आ गए थे।
63.
कविराज गोस्वामी पाद भी कहते हैं कि
We've reached the sloka number 63.
ये विरह दशा में कैसे ब्रजवासी लोग कृष्ण के प्रति आकुति मिनति आदि करते रहते हैं।
In this separation mood,
दीनता प्रकाश करते रहते हैं।
how Brajvasis,
दीनता ही प्रेम की परिभाषा कहा जाता है।
how are they coping with the separation? They are showing so much dinata. Dinata means humility. What is the bhasa of prem? What is the language of prem? Trinadapi suninena amanina manadina kirtanaya sadahari. Amanina manadina. These four qualities, when will it come? When the sadhak will chant Suddhanam, pure name. Before that, it's Arop, and sometimes in Sangha or Arop Siddha. There is three bhakti, Arop Siddha, Sandha Bhakti, Sakta, Sangha Bhakti and Suddha Bhakti. To do the pure name, when you chant the pure name, then automatically humility comes. Rupa Goswami has very nicely explained. Yesterday we listened. When Uddhav is trying to make Nanda Maharaj understand that Krishna is Bhagavan, but Nanda Maharaj, he is not accepting it. He is not ready to accept that Krishna is Bhagavan. But because of dinata, because of the humility,
Manaso Vittoyo Nasu Krishna Padambuja Sraya Bacho Vidhai Namni Kastat Pravanadisu Karma Bhi Brahmamananam Jatra Kapirisirchaya Mangala Charito Todana Dui Rutirna Krishna. Son Nanda Maharaj.
Wherever we wander in the material universe under the influence of karma by the will of the Lord, may our auspicious activities cause our attraction to Lord Krishna to increase. Nanda Maharaj, weeping in the separation mode, he said, "Hey Uddhav, whatever you've told me, you are saying that my son Krishna is Bhagavan, but we don't have any faith in that. We don't see that qualities of Bhagavan in him. Our eyes cannot lie, ears cannot lie. We've seen Krishna, what he was like a child or crying. I've listened in the Shastra that in the Shastras, if there is Narayan, then he's in Salagram. In our house, we've got Narayan in the form of Saligrama. But my son Krishna,
अष्टादोष गुणों
He doesn't have the qualities of a Bhagwan.
जो भगवान होते हैं उसके 18 दोष नहीं
If he is
रहता है।
Bhagwan,
उसके
then how
निकाम
many
नहीं होते,
qualities
क्रोध
have?
नहीं होता है।
If he is
वो झूठ
Bhagwan,
नहीं बोलते हैं,
then
लोभी
there is
नहीं होते
no
हैं,
18 faults.
सदा
There's no
दयाशील
faults
होते
in
हैं,
him.
दयाशील है, गंभीर।
He doesn't lie.
किंतु हमारे
He doesn't.
बालक में ये सब विपरीत दिखाई दिया।
He's
बातों
merciful.
में झूठ बोलते हैं।
He's Gambhir, serious. But our Balak Krishna, our
लड़कियों
son
के पीछे
Krishna,
भी- लड़कियों के पीछे भी दौड़ते रहते हैं।
he's lying. He's always lying.
भूख प्यास में तड़पते रहते
In
हैं।
every conversation, he's lying.
भगवान को ये भूख प्यास नहीं रहती।
Gopis, he's always running behind the ladies.
वो तो भक्त अपने भाव के अनुसार
He's
देते
always
हैं,
running
ग्रहण
behind the
करते हैं।
girls.
भावग्राही
And he's always hungry. Do you think Bhagwan is ever hungry? No.
उदास्य सख्य वात्सल्य माधुर्य।
Bhakta is the devotees, if they offer it to Bhagwan, then he accepts it. But he's not hungry really.
ये गिरिराज धारण उन्होंने किया 7 दिन
This
शांत
Dasya
रात
Sakshya Sakhya
बाएं हाथ में
Vatsalya mood,
गिरिराज इतने विशाल गिरिराज
if you
को
say
धारण किया। और
that he
बड़ी
lifted
अनेकों
the
जो है,
Giriraj
उसको
for 7
विसर्जन
days and
जला
7 nights
बयाद,
with his
व्याध
left hand.
रक्षाल, वर्ष मालूताल वैद्यता नराद। गोपी गीत
But-
में भी आ रहे हैं।
And he also killed many demons in
किंतु
the
ये
Braj.
सब जो कुछ कोई बड़े बड़े कार्य आदि जो कृष्ण किया गिरिराज धारण आदि अथवा कार्यानाथ के
Even in the Gopi Gita.
अगासुर बगासुर बात किया वास्तव हमारे
Whatever
पुत्र
he's done in
कृष्ण
these activities in Braj, like lifting the Giriraj and killing the demons.
हे नंद महाराज
But our Putras, our son Krishna, he didn't do that.
हमारे पुत्र जो है नारायण के भांति
When they did the naming ceremony, Gargachar
समझ में आया
Maharaj said,
कि कभी कभी हमारे बालक के ऊपर
your son Krishna,
वही नारायण
he's got the qualities of Narayan.
आदिष्ट हो जाता है इसलिए
Sometimes
वो बालक गिरिराज के धारण किया
that Narayan
कालिया नाग के ऊपर नृत्य किया
is coming in this my son Krishna.
सुनते हैं
Like he lifted the Giriraj mountain.
हमने साक्षात देखा थोड़ी सी दूध के लिए मक्खन के लिए कैसे लोग
But our son Krishna hasn't got that much Shakti. He hasn't got that strength.
क्या करती है सांच के द्वारा गोपाल के भी
Even for the milk and butter, how he was crying.
सांस देंगे मक्खन देंगे
And the gopis, what were they doing?
बोले कितना जितने बार नाचोगे
And gopis were playing with Krishna. And they wouldn't give him chas, they wouldn't give him milk or
तो गोपियां ने क्या
butter.
करती गोबर लेकर
And
के
the gopis will tell the baby Krishna that dance. Then you dance and then I will give you makhan. The gopis,
गोपाल के कोई
so
भूषण
the
अलंकार भी लगा
Krishna
दिया
is saying,
जाए।
"Arey, I've done so many
अलंकार
times,
स्वयं
twice,
अपने से बदलना।
once, twice."
देखो गोपियां जब कृष्ण के जाए वो
Even if you put
गोबर
all the
लेकर के
alankar
क्या करते थे
on the
डर
Gopal,
लगाते थे, गोपी डर लगाते
ornaments on
थे।
Gopal,
कितने सुंदर
then the ornaments
तो
would look
हमारे
beautiful.
बालक कितने लोभी है
What did the gopis
लाल
do?
टपकते रहते
They used to put they used to put dots on the forehead of Krishna.
हैं।
अब
जहाँ पर
बालक
अच्छी खाना देखा
He's very,
खाने
very
के लिए
greedy.
दौड़ते रहते हैं मैया मुझे दे।
He's always
भयभीत
like,
भी होते हैं।
saliva is always falling from his mouth.
यशोदा कुंड में स्नान करने के लिए
Wherever he
गोपाल
sees
गोपाल
food,
के
he
लिए
wants to run and he said, "Hey, Maya, Maya, I want to eat." Once Mother Jashoda
तट पर
went
बैठा
to have
दिया
a bath in the Jashoda Kund.
और माँ यशोदा स्नान कर
And then what did the Gopal
गोपाल ने
do?
क्या देखा सामने वो पोखर के सामने थोड़ा थोड़ा
He sat by the
लाल
pond
लाल एक फल होता है
when the mother was having bath.
वो भी उसके चारों
And
तरफ कांटा
Gopal
गिर
saw
रहा
in
था
front of him,
और उस फल को देख करके खाना समझ करके
you know, the red
वो अंदर में घुस गया
fruit he saw.
घुस तो गया
It's like
किंतु
kanta,
सारे
these
कांटा
thorns
उनके
around
चारों
it,
तरफ
fruit. When he saw that fruit,
बाहर निकल नहीं पा रहे मैया मैया मैया
and
करके रो रहे।
he wanted that fruit,
देखो
and that tree had so many thorns, and Gopal went into the tree, and then he couldn't come out, and all the thorns were hurting him, and he's crying, "Maya, Maya, Maya, mother, mother."
नहीं आता।
See?
तो
So
कैसे
can you
हम
see?
मानेंगे ये मेरे
If he
बालक
was Bhagwan, then do you
भगवान
think
तो
these
एक है,
thorns
हम
would
क्या
even
है, वो
hurt him?
विष्णु व
No.
नारायण कहा जाए नंद महाराज के
So how
कहने
can we
में
believe
सत्य
that our
है।
Barak,
कृष्ण के अंदर में
our child,
कृष्ण
Krishna is
नारायण
Bhagwan?
कहते हैं, और असुर मारन नहे तिहो कार्य।
Nanda Maharaj is saying that
नंदनंदन कृष्ण
Bhagwan
के
is
कार्य
Vishnu or
नहीं है
Narayan.
असुर के वध करना।
So
जब
he's
कृष्ण
saying the
नंदनंदन
truth
आते हैं
that
उनके
Narayan or
उनके
Vishnu is
हृदय में,
staying in
उनके अंदर
Krishna.
में सारे अवतार आ जाता है। इसलिए कहता है विष्णु धारे करे
It's
असुर संहार।
when Krishna,
कृष्ण विष्णु
Nandanand.
के द्वारा ही असुर के संहार
So
करते
what happens? He's saying
तो
that the
नंद महाराज
avatar
इसी
of
प्रकार
Vishnu
कहने
comes
लगे,
in his heart,
तुम्हारी
and then
सब
he is the
तुम
Vishnu
जिस
who's
पर मान रहे
killing
हो,
the
वो
demons and
कृष्ण के
lifting the
चरण में
Giriraj.
मेरा रतिमती रहे।
So Nanda Maharaj
अब
said,
तुमने एक बात कही थी,
your
मैं
God
सौभाग्यवान
who
हूँ,
you believe
क्योंकि कृष्ण जैसे पुत्र
is
का हम प्राप्त
Bhagwan.
किया।
I am praying that I
उस
have
समय
Rati
नंद महाराज
in the
कहे,
Bhagwan
मूर्ख
you believe
उद्धव,
in as Krishna.
मैंने सुना था तुम ब्रज में बहुत विद्वान हो, विष्णु
When we
प्रभु
had a
मंत्री कृष्ण
child
से
like
तो
Krishna,
शिष्य वृष्ण भी
I'm
सच्चा
very
उद्धव बुद्धि
fortunate
सत्यवान। क्योंकि तुम
I
जैसे
heard
बात कर रहे हो बिल्कुल एक
that
छोटा बालक की भांति, मूर्ख की
Uddhav is
भांति।
saying that you are something great, you know, in
अरे हमारे बालक
Vrindavan.
भगवान कैसे
But
भगवान?
Nanda Maharaj is telling Uddhav, but what you are talking like
18
a
दोष
child.
में दूषित है
Our
हमारे बालक।
Bhagwan, our child, can
काम
he
है,
be
क्रोध है,
Bhagwan?
लोभ है, मोह
How
है,
can he be
मस्तिष्क है।
Bhagwan?
हमारे बालक में जैसे साधारण मनुष्य में जो 18 दोष होता है,
He's got
इसी
18
प्रकार
faults.
कृष्ण की कारण देखिए हमारी
Lobh,
बालक में
krodh,
18 दोष
anger,
क्या
the
बताएं?
greed,
तुम सामने शास्त्र खोल करके
lies.
देखो,
He's got all
हम तो
those
शास्त्र
bad
नहीं
qualities.
जानते हैं, हम केवल सुना मात्र,
He's got
शास्त्र
18
श्रवण
faults.
किया। हे उद्धव,
So you open the Shastras and look.
समस्त शास्त्र जो
We
मनमग्न
don't know
हो,
the
ज्ञानी
Shastras.
हो।
We've only heard.
सब श्लोक तुम्हें याद है,
We've only heard the Shastras.
ये श्लोक देखो,
Hey Uddhav,
अष्टादश रहित अष्टादोष
you are a
रहित
Gyani.
भगवत।
Hey Uddhav, you're Gyani.
जो
You
भगवान
know
होते हैं
every
उसमें
slok. You can remember
18
and
दोष
understand
नहीं
every slok.
ना उसके मनुष्य के जो साधारण मनुष्य के जो 4 प्रकार के दोष है, भ्रम प्रमाद
If he is Bhagwan, then he wouldn't have 18 faults.
हमारे गोपाल में क्या है? ये 4
You know
दोष
that even he wouldn't have these faults that human beings have.
ऐसा ही
In our Gopal,
बालक
he has
डर
got
जाते
these 4 faults.
हैं, तो भ्रम हो जाता है उससे,
Brahm,
हैं। तो उसी प्रकार नंद
Fear,
महाराज
fear,
एक-एक
he's got
करके
fear.
उद्धव की सारे युक्ति को
he
उन्होंने
gets afraid.
खंडन किया। तो अंत में यही कह रहे हैं, तुम्हारे
So
कृष्ण के हो
similarly
मोरे
like this,
मोती।
Nanda Maharaj was
कृष्ण
talking
नहीं
to
है,
Uddhav and he
तुम्हारे
spoke
कृष्ण माने
all the
तुम
faults
जिसको
one by
भगवान
one
मान रहे
to
हो,
Uddhav.
वही
So he's
भगवान
saying,
कृष्ण में
oh,
हमारे
your Krishna,
मति रहे।
your Krishna who you
जन्म
believe is
जन्मांतर
Bhagwan.
में
He's
कर्म के
saying,
फल
not my
स्वरूप
Krishna.
यदि
He's,
पुनः देह
Nanda
मिले,
Maharaj is saying to Uddhavji, it's your Krishna.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That Krishna,
क्वचित
I bow
ब्रह्मतिमानम
down and we have Rati in
तत्र
him.
कापि ईश्वरया मंगलाचरितो दाने
And
रुदि
because of our
कृष्ण
karma,
ईश्वरी। इतनी हम प्रार्थना करते हैं, तुम्हारे जो कृष्ण जो है उनके चरण में हमारा रतिमती रहे। दान पुण्य आदि के
we
द्वारा
are praying
भगवान
that
को
your
प्राप्त नहीं
Krishna,
होते हैं। दान पुण्य
and
आदि
at his
से चित्त
lotus feet
शुद्धि
we
होता
have
है,
Rati.
केवल मात्र है।
According to our
भागवत
Dan
में
and Punya
एकादश
and all
स्कंद
the
में स्वयं
auspicious things,
भगवान कृष्ण उद्धव के ये भी कथा
what
सुना।
happens? Your chit, your heart gets
तपो
pure.
होम चित्त
But by doing Dan and
इधर केवल चित्त शुद्धि होता है,
pious activities, you don't get
भगवान में मोती नहीं
Bhagwan.
होता है। भगवान में मोती भगवत सत्संग के द्वारा
So you get pure heart.
विवेकना हुई राम कृपा
You don't have attraction or mati in attachment
सत्संग
to
के द्वारा
Krishna.
ही ये होता है।
To get attachment in Krishna, you have to do
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
satsang.
कभी जन्म जन्मांतर में हम यदि ऐसे कोई दान पुण्य
So without
आदि किया,
Ram's mercy, you
तो
cannot
सत्संग
get
में मोती हो, और सत्संग में ही
attachment to Krishna.
हम तुम्हारे कृष्ण के हैं हम
So
पहचान।
he's saying that whatever dan and what punya and whatever pious activities we performed in our past lives
इसलिए कह रहे हैं श्री राम
and in this life,
ब्रजे जत सकानि चय
then we will understand your Krishna.
केवल सक्कमय
Whatever, here he says, wherever we wander in the material universe under the influence of karma by the will of the Lord, may our auspicious activities cause our attraction to Lord Krishna to increase.
सहारा अपना के करे दासी अभिमान। फिर करें देखो ब्रज में सुबल सुदाम आदि कृष्ण के साथ कैसे सख्य भाव अवधि रखते हैं। केचित महात्मा अर्थात कृष्ण
They Subal and
करते
Sudha.
दोपहर के समय जब सघन पेड़ के नीचे
Lord Krishna's friends in Vrindavan, headed by Sridham, have pure fraternal affection for Lord Krishna and have no idea of his opulence. So Maharaj is talking up here about the sakhas, how friendship, relationship they have. So during the lunch time, when it's very hot, Krishna is resting under the tree, and all these sakhas, what do you see? They get the leaves, and they fan Krishna. And the prema sakhas like Sridham, they do kirtan. And how Mahatma Krishna is sleeping. He's smiling. He's got his eyes closed, but he's smiling.
उद्धव ये ब्रजदेवी के धूलि की प्रार्थना कर आसामो चरणेनु वंदे नंद विजय श्रीनाम अनेक 6 श्लोकों के द्वारा ब्रज गोपियां तो कृष्ण ये ब्रज
Uddhav is praying to the dust of the
विशेष करके राधा के चरण धूलि प्राप्ति करने के लिए कितने तपस्या आदि कर रहे हैं तासर ऊपर कृष्ण ने प्रियनयन ताहरा अपना के
Uddhav is saying that I want how many tapasya I would have to do to get the dust of the Radharani's feet.
साधन अवस्था भी नहीं जब विरह दशा में ऐसे
even in the separation mood, Krishna gopis are saying that to Krishna that we are your dasi.
इसलिए यहाँ पर करें
When they are in the separation mood, they are thinking Krishna is the dasi. Krishna is they are the dasi of Krishna.
भज सखे भवत किंकरिस्मनो जलारुहाननं चारु दर्शयन गोपी गीत में भी आ रहे हैं ये गोविंद जब गोचारण करने के लिए जाते हैं बा गोचारण करके जब ब्रज में लौटते हैं
Even in the Gopi Gita, when Krishna is going in the cow herding, when his face is so beautiful, we have the darshan, that how much we are so eager to have his darshan of his beautiful face when he goes cow herding. He's got, oh Lord, you have a sweet, gentle smile. Oh friend, we are your maidservants. So the gopis are saying, we are your maidservants too. Krishna. In their heart, they have the desire to meet Krishna.
कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर तिरछी नजर जो चिदवन नजर जो है जिसको देख करके सभी के चित्त को वो हरण कर देते यही तो कृष्ण की विशेष वैशिष्ट है इसलिए कह रहे हैं तथापि गोपियां
with his sidelong glances, Krishna, what does he do? He steals everyone's heart. Even then, gopis are saying, still gopis don't believe that Krishna is Bhagavan. Even in the Madhurya Ras, they are so absorbed in Madhurya Ras that Krishna is our beloved.
Smarati sapitri jnana saumang bandukcha gopan Kachidopi sa Krishna na kinkari nangrinate Bhuja abru sugandha murdhav murdhamadas assa kadanam विरह दशा में श्रीमती राधिका दिव्योन्माद दशा में भी कहते हैं हे भ्रमर तुम बार बार कहते हो
in the separation mood
तुम्हारे
Radhika is saying
कोई दोष नहीं
हे भ्रमर
इसलिए तुम्हारे प्रभु के साथ
हे bumblebee you are saying again and again that your Prabhu Krishna
राधा जी दिव्य उन्माद दशा में कह रहे हैं
that we should be a friends of your Prabhu. Listen, Radha in the Anmudha.
ये दसम जो श्लोक है इसमें एक एक नायिका के भाव में प्रकाश
There is a 9 types of Nayikas bhav here. This slok is
अर्थात भ्रमर गीत में
every Naika's bhav
10
is there.
श्लोक में एक एक
Every
नायिका
slok
के
there is
भाव
every
राधा
Naika's
जी
mood.
संकर करके बता रहे हैं।
Even in Brahma
अब
Gita,
यह कलहंत तरीका
there is a 10 slokas.
नायिका के भाव आ रहे हैं।
In the 10th
कलह
slok, every
वो चला गया।
slok
कलह
has got
अंतर्हिता।
each Naika's bhav.
कुछ स्वाभाविक रूप में ये भी बता रहे हैं।
Every
हृदय में
heroine's
तो
power.
क्रोध है, ईर्ष्या
Kala,
देश है,
Karita,
किंतु ऊपर से
Kala,
कुछ
in a
मित्रता भाव
simple,
दिखा रहे हैं।
in the
कहने
there is
लगे,
anger
अरे
inside the
मधु
heart.
मधुकार
There is anger in the heart,
बख्शी तुम
but
बताओ।
externally
हैं।
there is
अपिमतो
friendship.
मधुपुर
They're showing the
जान
friendship.
अस्ति।
He's saying, "Hey Madhukan,
जो
hey
नरेंद्र
Bumblebee,
खन्ना के साथ
you tell us
प्रेम विहार आदि करने वाले हैं। गोपियां भाव दृष्टि से, भाव नजर से ये सब जान गए। ये कृष्णा मथुरा चढ़ के द्वारका अथवा द्वारका मथुरा में ही रह करके
in this
राजेंद्र कन्या
cyclone
को गए
class,
विवाह आदि की।
Krishna left
ठीक है, कोई भी
left
बात नहीं है।
Vrindavan and
गोपियां
went to
इसकी
Mathura
उदाहरणा दे रही है।
and Dwarka.
अभी वो तो मधुपुर
Now
का
he's a king,
पुत्र उड़ना
and
से क्या मधुपुर
he married the queens.
क्या वो आ रहे हैं? अर्थात
Hey Madhupuri, hey, is he going to
हम
come
ये भी
back?
जानते हैं।
Madhupuri is Krishna is Madhupuri means from
वो
Mathura. Now he's in Mathura.
वृंदावन
Will
में
he come back?
गोचारण करते थे और मथुरा में उनके भाग्य उदय हो गया।
We also know
जिनके भाग्य कभी उदय हो जाता है,
in Vrindavan he was cowherd in
ये
Bhuj,
संसार
and in
के
Mathura
नियम ही है।
he's
ऊपर
got
आसन
a
पर
higher
बैठते हैं,
position.
फिर नीचे आसन पर बैठना पड़ता है।
He means he's now
नीचे
more
आसन पर
fortunate.
जो बैठने वाले को
You know,
ऊपर आसन
like
पर बैठता है।
the fortune has come to him.
ये संसार के नियम है। मैंने
It's like in this material world, there's sometimes somebody is sitting in a higher asan, and sometimes he has to come into a lower session.
गायों के
That is
पीछे
the
पीछे
uchi
दौड़ते
up
थे।
and down. That is the nature of the sansar. So that way, gopis are saying, "Hey, when you were in Braj, what were you doing, Krishna? You were herding the cows, and you were running after the cows. Now fortune has come in your life, so now you are a king of Mathura."
क्या वो मधुपुर इसलिए कह रहे हैं?
And also we've heard in
मधुपुर
Madhupuri.
और जो पुत्र
Then he went to
उड़ना से-
Dwarka. In Dwarka,
क्या वो द्वारका से
what did he do? You
पुनः
got
मथुरापुर में आए हैं? ये समाचार तो हमें दो। हैं? क्या बताओ मधु हैं? स्मरति स पितृ ज्ञान।
has he come back?
क्या कृष्ण
Give us the news that has he come to Madhupur from Dwarka? Has he come to Mathura?
स्मरण करते हैं? हैं?
Yeah,
यदि
Krishna.
हो, ये मधुकार तुम
Does
बताओ।
Krishna does he remember his mother and father and his house?
हम लोग
If
का
he
क्या
does,
संबंध था?
then you tell us.
क्या लगते हैं हमारे साथ? नंद जैसा
We are
जो
not very
पुत्र लगते हैं।
fortunate.
सुबल श्रीराम के
Gopis are saying,
मित्र
what
लगते हैं।
relationship does he have with us?
गोपियां करें हमारे साथ कृष्ण के
What does he
संबंध
keep?
क्या
What
है?
does his relationship? At least he's the son of
यदि कहो
son of
हाँ, ये
Jashoda
तो
and
प्रेम
Nandaji.
संबंध है।
At least, and he
प्रेम
keeps
तो ये
friendship.
केवल
He's a
क्या
friends
होता है,
of the
sentimental
Subal and Sakhas.
bonds।
But with us, what friendship does he have?
हैं? I
What
love you।
relationship does he have? Yes, you can say
परिवार
there's a
में कोई I
prem,
don't like you।
a prem relationship.
I kill you।
Are prem is only
Dude।
sentimental word. I love you.
ऐसे लाभ प्रेम प्रेम आदि
Then
केवल
after a
एकमात्र
while you'll say, I don't
sentimental
like
है,
you.
भाव मात्र है।
I will divorce you.
हैं? गोपियां उसी प्रकार कर रहे हैं। यद्यपि गोपियों के भाव मात्र नहीं है।
Only love,
तथापि
prem
गोपियां
is only
गृहस्थ में कार्य
sentimental
है।
words.
हे मुझको
Gopis are saying-
आप बताओ
Gopis,
कृष्ण कैसे चतुर
even
भी
that,
है?
even that is not the
बोलने में
true.
बहुत
That is
expert
not
है।
true. But because in
जिस नाम को
separation mood,
देखते हैं, उसी का
they are
तो
saying,
जैसे
"Hey
हमारे
Madhukar,
प्यारे हो,
hey
तो कोई
Bumblebee,
न पाया
Krishna is
हम
so
लोग समझ
chatur.
जाए।
He's
केवल
very
श्रीमती
expert
राधिका
in
के नहीं,
speaking.
कृष्ण
He will see
कोई
any
नारी मिल
beautiful
जाए,
lady and he'll say, "Oh, I love you. You know, you are my premi." So
जाल में ऐसे फंस जाते हैं।
it's not
और
only
अंत में
Srimati
यही बात
Radhika.
कहते रहते हैं।
Krishna, whoever ladies he meet,
इसलिए कह रहे हैं अपी बताओ
and then
मधुपुर जा
then he starts loving them, and they said, "You are the only one I love."
आप वो आए हैं स्मरति सब पितृ ज्ञान क्या वो अपने
In
पिता
Madhupuri,
माता की जो गृह
is he there? Has he
हर
come?
जगह को भूल गया हैं? बंधु सौम्य बंधु गोपाल
Has he forgotten his mother's and father's house?
किनको नहीं गिनी थे। हे उद्धव, तुम विचार करके बताओ, क्या वो कृष्ण के साथ हमारे एक बार दर्शन होगा?
Hey Uddhav,
हैं?
you think about and tell
ये तो
us.
हम कभी विश्वास भी नहीं कर सकते कृष्ण हमें पुनः मिलित हो।
Will we have the darshan of that Krishna?
हमारे जीव गोस्वामी पाद इस विरह के कहा जाता है
We don't even have this
Bhavan
viswas.
Viraha.
We don't even have this faith that we will have darshan with
विरह
Krishna.
तीन प्रकार की होता है। एक
Our
होता है
Jiva Goswami is saying is that in this
भावी
various
विरह,
separation
एक होता है
is
विरह,
Bhavan,
और एक होता है
Bhavi Viraha. Bhavan
विरह
Viraha,
कैसे
one is,
कहा
there are
जाता
three
है?
types of Viraha,
अभी
Bhavi
ब्रज से बाहर
Viraha,
नहीं गए।
Bhavana Viraha,
केवल
and
अपने
Bhavaha Viraha.
महाराज काल रात्रि
Bhavi
काल में
Viraha is what?
कृष्ण बलराम के ले जाए।
It's,
इसका तो
Krishna is not left Vrindavan yet,
में बैठ करके
but Akrur, tomorrow Akrur will come and take Krishna and Balaram. So it is like he will do it tomorrow, like in future.
इसी प्रकार का
Atam,
हे विधाता, गोपियां कह रही हैं, तुम कैसे निष्ठुर हो? हैं?
Hey
ये
Vidhata,
कृष्ण हम के साथ कोई
Gopis are
परिचय भी नहीं
saying,
था। ना जानी कैसे आंखों की पलक पड़ते ही एक दूसरे के चितवन अपने आप हरण हो गए।
we've not got any messages from this Krishna.
आप बताओ, हैं? किंतु वही कृष्ण हम
With
लोग
his
के
eyes, with
प्रेम
his,
को जो है
just
ठुकरा
his
करके
eyes, glances of his eyes, he steals the heart.
और
Now
द्वारका में
tell us
जाकर के
that Krishna,
16,108 महिषियों के विवाह कर दिए। हैं?
he loved us, and then he went to Mathura, and then from Mathura he's gone to Dwarka, and in Dwarka he got married to 1,108 wives.
किंतु देखो आज
See,
कैसे भाव नेत्र से
how many times he used to say, hey gopis, whoever who loves me as much as you love us, there is nobody. Now see what he's done.
कुब्जा देखें जो कुबड़ी
Even the Srimati Radhika said, Are leave that thing.
उनके घर में भी गए, उनके अंचल पकड़ते रहते हैं।
Oh, that crooked Kubja, who's got crooked body. Krishna also went to his house. He is always holding his Harchuni.
विवधायु सविव जामा दुर्जन गृह श्रृंखला संविश्च प्रतिजातु साधुना। यही तो कृष्ण के एक विशेष गुण है। इसको देखते हैं, उसकी इतने बखान करते हैं, महिमा बखान करते हैं, ग्लोरिफिकेशन करते हैं।
There is the qualities of Krishna. Whoever he sees,
हरण कर देते हैं।
he will glorify them. He will praise them.
ग्लोरिफिकेशन करो, देखो तुम्हारी ऊपर
He will glorify and praise them and he steal their heart.
और आप किसी को यदि
Even in Sansar Jivan, in the material life, it's like that. You glorify somebody and praise them, then automatically that person will start loving you. And if you criticize somebody, then that person will become your enemy. Isn't that true?
तो देखो वो व्यक्ति कैसे पसंद नहीं करता।
In every conversation, you criticize them, then they will become your enemy. But if that same person you praise them, then they will love you.
देखो मैं जब आज 30 साल मेरा पत्नी के साथ
But isn't that true?
30 साल तो विवाह तो किया।
One person said,
हमारे ऊपर कभी
for 30 years, I married my wife.
कोई जवाब कुछ बोलो,
I married her 30 years.
देख लो,
But this wife, my wife, is never pleased with me. Is never happy with me.
बाद में बताएंगे।
If you ask her anything, then he will give you the answers like just rudely. He will say, "Oh, do it. I'll tell you afterwards." Because she speaks with a tone, not in a nice, simple, loving words. She speaks to me. In her mouth, nothing like loving words come out. So the friend listened to that friend and he said, do one thing. How to gain wife's heart is one thing, is you praise his cooking, her cooking. Whatever you prepared, you praise whatever she cooks. For 3-4 hours, what is she doing? She's she she put so much effort and she's cooking for 3-4 hours.
कितने
So
सुंदर
what do you do
आप
with her
चाहो
cooking?
कि आप ऐसे बनाओ।
You praise her
तुम्हारे
cooking.
रंधन की कला जो है
Today you prepared so nicely sabji. Oh,
ना
you
जाने
made
तुम्हारे
such nice,
ऊपर
beautiful
भगवान के ऊपर कैसी
rice.
कृपा है।
The art you
साक्षात
have
राधारानी
is very,
हमारे हाथ
art
से
of
ही
cooking you have
ग्रहण
is
करते हैं।
very special.
अहो,
Maybe
इसी प्रकार
you have got Bhagwan's
तुम
kripa.
जाकर के क्या करो,
You have got
प्रशंसा करो।
Satsak
देखो
Radharani
पति के प्रशंसा
is-
पत्नी के प्रशंसा करने से
is accepting from your
साथ ही
hand,
साथ पति
cooking,
तुम्हारे
accepting from your
ऊपर
hand.
अनुरक्त
So,
हो जाएगा।
what this friend told him
शास्त्र में
is
ऐसे
you
लिखा
go
है,
and praise your
स्त्री के
wife.
प्रसन्नता करने के लिए एक ही तो उपाय है,
Just by
उनकी
hearing your
आत्म
praise,
प्रशंसा करो।
she will speak, she will become loving
आत्म
to you.
प्रशंसा करते रहो बस।
There's only one thing
प्रसन्न हो
for
एक कौवा जो
to
है
praise the ladies.
कहीं एक थोड़ा मिठाई का
praise-
टुकड़ा मिल गया
Bas, you keep on praising her.
और वो पंजा में लेकर के
Then she'll be
ऊपर
happy.
चलने लगे। इतने
It's
समय
like a
एक कुत्ता
crow.
एक क्या सियार देख दिया,
He found one piece of sweet.
इसी प्रकार से ये जो
And he
मक्खन
was
के बाद
he
वो
got
क्या बोले?
hold of that piece of sweet in his beak,
पनीर की जो
and
टुकड़ा जो है
then he saw a fox saw him.
जो पेड़ के ऊपर तो वो बैठे हुए थे कौवे,
Paneer.
हैं, किंतु नीचे से
So the fox thought it's a paneer. I want to get that piece of
मित्र,
paneer.
तुम्हारे सुंदर
And this crow was sitting on a tree, and the fox was underneath and said, "Ha, hey Mitra, hey my friend crow,
स्वर्ग से भी आलो बना दे।
how can I praise you? You are black.
और फिर कहने लगे
You are black. Although you are black, you."
गोपियां एक जब वो कहने लगा
He said,
कौवा के जब
Although
कहने
you are
लगे,
black,
"मित्रों, तुम्हारी सूरत तो हमसे सब बहुत दिन इस जंगल में आया ही नहीं, आज तुम्हारे
sorry.
दर्शन करके मेरा हृदय प्रसन्न
Sir,
हुआ।
the
तुम तो मैं जानता हूँ
कौवा
तुम
से-
सबसे बड़े कीर्तनिया हो। कौवे
So
सबसे बड़ा
the fox is telling the crow that, oh, you haven't come to the jungle for many days, for a long time. But I've heard that you are a very beautiful
तो
kirtanya.
आज तुम अपने मुखारविंद से
So
मुझे
so
कोई
many
कीर्तन
days have gone that I haven't heard your
जब ये
kirtan.
महिमा वर्णन
But
करने
today,
लगे, कौवे प्रसन्न
from
हो
your
गया।
mouth,
कौवे ने
please,
क्या की?
I want to listen to your kirtan. So when the fox started to praise the crow, so the crow was quite happy. So Krishna, ka. So the crow started to sing.
और
Ka. So what happened? He opened his mouth.
और गाओ बस।
And what happened to the paneer? The paneer fell down.
और ऐसे करके उनको कान उसके हुई कीर्तन में लगा दिया और
Our seer, the fox kept on saying, "Ore, sing, keep on singing."
यहाँ पर भी
And the crow was singing, and what happened to the fox? And the fox picked up the makhan, the paneer, piece of paneer, and went away.
जिसको जो
So here
नरकासुर
gopis are saying,
अपने जेल में बंद करके रखा था, हैं? तो वो समस्त भगवान
करना।
नरकासुर के मरने
the
के पश्चात,
Narkasur,
हैं?
who was in the
उनके
jail,
सारे स्त्रियों को जो है जेल से मुक्त कराया, फिर उनके साथ विवाह भी हुई। ये सब श्रीमद् भागवत में वर्णन है।
before the Narkasur died, Bhagwan,
हैं?
he saved all his wives, all these girls, and there is evidence in the Puranas. That's why he's saying,
गोविंदता सब हम लोग की सब रक्षा भी करते हैं।
in Braj,
विजय जनस्मय और कृष्ण के ऐसे सुंदर जो
wherever there
मुस्कान
is difficulty, then Krishna is to protect
मुस्कान
us.
के द्वारा सबके चितवन को क्या कर लेते हैं, मानो हरण कर लेते
The Krishna's beautiful face
हैं, वास्तव ही सकते हैं,
and his smile.
हैं?
So what does he do
क्या
with
वो
that?
नरेंद्र-
He
नरेंद्र
steals
प्रताप को
everyone's
लेकर
heart.
के क्या मथुरा में आए
That's
हैं?
true.
मथुरा वृंदावन तो बहुत दूरी नहीं है। हम उस नरेंद्र कन्या को हम दर्शन करेंगे,
Mathura is not
उनके
far
बारे
from
में हम
Vrindavan.
श्रवण करेंगे। ये समस्त महाभागवती है, रुक्मिणी
We
सत्यभामा
want to have
आदि
darshan of Krishna. We
जो
want to
कुरुक्षेत्र
hear
क्या
about
बोले,
him.
द्वारका में रहने वाली उनके सौंदर्य
Mahabhagavati.
माधुर्य के पराभूत करने
Rukmani
वाले कौन है?
Satyabhama.
ये समस्त गोपियां हैं, गोपियां के सौंदर्य माधुर्य
They are residents of Dwarka
रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा के रुक्मिणी और सत्यभामा
who
द्वारका में रहते हैं,
who,
उनके
who,
पास
who are
भी
more
बराबर है।
beautiful than Rukmani and Satyabhama are
दाढ़ी वाला को
gopis.
जो है ठीक करने के लिए
Rukmani and Satyabhama, they live in
धार हो जाता
Dwarka.
है, उससे लेकर के जो
No,
कौन
person.
भारी होता है उनको पर दिया जाता है। ठीक उसी प्रकार कहाँ रुक्मिणी सत्यभामा की सौंदर्य माधुर्य और कहाँ ब्रजदेवियों की
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
कौन वर्णन करे।
Similar.
इसलिए स्वयं राधा जी
What is the, you can compare, can you compare the beauty of Rukmani and Satyabhama with the gopis and Radharani? It's incomparable.
ऐसे तुम्हारे मित्र है क्या?
So Radharani is saying,
क्या आए हैं?
hey
क्या
Uddhav,
कभी कृपा करके कृष्ण अपने सुशीतल
what type of a friend he has, your friend has?
बरदा
Is he a Rajendra? Is he a Raja?
क्या हम लोग भी सिर पर रखेंगे?
Does Krishna
जैसे निकुंज विलास
is merciful on us?
Krishna.
Will he bless his hand and put his hand on our head?
किस प्रकार
In Nikunja Vilas, Krishna
उनकी प्रेम विहार दिखाती है।
with Radha and
क्या कम से
gopis.
कम हमारे बालों के जो है वो क्या बोलते हैं
We used to have prem
सलाएंगे, जिससे हमें रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी तो वर्णन करते जा
prem
रहे हैं,
rila.
वही भावों के वर्णन करते जा रहे
The hair,
हैं। शिरूपा मंजरी
just like Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami is
सनबहानी सन कृष्ण किम करिस
Rupa Manjari.
श्रीमती राधिका की मानवती हो जब हो जाती है कुंज में, स्वयं कृष्ण राधा को अपने कुड़ोदेश में गोद पर बैठा है और
When Radharani goes in the kunj and Krishna is
हाथ रख करके
Radharani is sitting on Krishna's lap, and slowly he's touching his hair, so lovingly touching her hair, and sometimes he puts his hand on the cheek, or sometimes under his on cheeks, and then sometimes under his chin, and with so beautifully lovingly he talks to Radha. So Radharani is saying, where is that day gone? That how he used to lovingly touch my hair and put his hand around the cheeks and the chin. Now he's in Dwarka. He's such a big king. Do you think that Krishna will come once to come and meet us in Vrindavan?
कामदेव के भी पराभूत करने वाले ऐसे सुंदर क्या मुखारबिंद के हम लोग के दर्शन होता है।
Even the Kamdev, he even wins the Kamdev, that beautiful Krishna. We will not get that darshan of that beautiful face of Krishna. Even in the Gopi Gita, he's saying,
और इनके सुंदर जो सुमिठली मिष्ट जो भाषा जो है, हम लोग के उसमें सारे मान नाजनी कहाँ सब चिकना शुरू हो जाता है।
this beautiful smile and his curly hair and the sweet words emanates from his mouth.
ऐसी तो ना सकई है, ये धूर्त
What
कपट है।
happens when he's to us, when we hear his sweet words and see his smile?
ये राधे
See his,
हमारे कलंक
even though he's liar and a kapat,
ये धूर्त है।
even sometimes Lalita and Vishaka are saying,
धूर्त के
ये
साथ
राधे,
कभी मित्रता करना नहीं चाहिए।
your kalankar means that is the
क्रोधी के
that is
साथ
the karan, that is the reason for kalankari is
लोभी के
jhoot.
साथ
He should not become friends with a
दान
liar.
पुण्य की कथा बोलना बेकार होता है।
With the anger person, you should not become a friendship with the angry
धन
person.
कमाने में
You
लगते
should not
हैं,
become
एक
a
पैसा
friendship
खर्च
with a
नहीं करना
greedy
चाहते हैं,
person.
उसके कहो भाई
If you speak to a greedy, somebody who is greedy, and you talk about giving into charity, then is it worth talking to him? No. If if you tell them, oh, this we need some funds in the Gaudiya Mutt, on the surface he will say, ha, I will give, but really he doesn't want to give in a single penny. He's miser.
बहुत पत्नी कहने के
There was
बाद
once a conjus, he was
उन्होंने
miser.
एक उसमें कानाकोड़ी
He
चलती
never
है।
used to give any dan. So one day the wife told him, go and have darshan in the temple. And the wife said, it's auspicious day, go.
देखो कानाकोड़ी
So once he took a kanakori, you know, the like one rupee, a coin. So he took it in his hand.
पुजारी सबको
He
दिखाते
kept
हुए
that coin
आरती
so
दिखाते हुए
tightly
उनके पास आए।
in his
वो सोचने
fist.
लगे, मैं थोड़ा पीछे जाऊं।
And Shanivar on
आगे था,
Saturdays,
पीछे चले
Hanumanji's mandir, he went, there's a pujari,
फिर
they do
पुजारी
aarti.
पुजारी सबको दिखाते
So
हुए
the
भाई
aarti
लोग
came to
पैसे
him,
डालते हैं।
the plate of aarti came to him.
ये हमारे भारत देश
So what he was in the front and he left, he went at the back. And then slowly everyone was putting some coins in the aarti tray.
दान दे दे।
This is our Sanskriti of our
इसलिए भाई गर्मी के समय था,
Bharati culture. It's a culture that we have to, when we accept the aarti, we should put one coin in there. So he thought slowly, what happened? He started to go at the back and the pujari was taking that aarti. So in his hand, he was so tightly holding the coin, so his hand was sweating. So because of the sweat, the coin was so wet.
तू मेरे साथ मेरे पास में जाना नहीं चाहते।
Because of the sweat, the coin was
मैं
wet.
तुमको कभी
And he started to kiss, hey Lakshmi Devi. He started to kiss the coin and said, hey Lakshmi Devi,
संसार पे ऐसे
don't worry, I will never be able to leave you. I will never separate you from me. So don't cry.
है क्या बताएं? कभी दानचंद की कथा भी हम सुना देते हैं, हैं? दानचंद की भी कथा सुनाते रहता हूँ। गंगा के स्नान समय आ गया, उनके पत्नी ने बोले गंगा स्नान करके आओ।
See, there's so many people like that in this world. Then there is one katha of Dan Chandi, Dan Chand.
पैसा ही नहीं देता हूँ।
Go to, his wife said, hey, go and have a bath in the
स्नान करने के
Ganga.
लिए गए, एक दो
No, I'm not going there because there's Brahmins and they keep on asking me for money if I go there.
ब्राह्मण वहाँ पर प्रकट हो गए।
Anyway, okay, go still, at least go and have a snan.
कहने लगे दानचंद
So he had a dip in
किसी को दान
Ganga.
दक्षिणा नहीं देते थे, इसलिए
And
लोग उसको
suddenly a
उपहास
Brahmin
करके
came,
उसका नाम
appeared.
क्या रखा? दानचंद।
And the Brahmin said, hey, Dan Chand.
हाँ समझ में नहीं।
He never used to
जैसे अंधे पुत्र
never
के नाम
used to give
रखा,
Dan. That's why the
कर्म
villagers named him, all the
किसी का
people
दान
named
नहीं
him
करता
Dan
था।
Chand.
तथापि उसके नाम रखा क्या?
Sarcastically, they said you are Dan Chand. It's a person who is, so if you
बोले
live,
मैं घाट
if
में
you live
पंडा हूँ।
Padma Lochan, if you have a blind son and you name
मैं पैसा नहीं
Padma
देते।
Lochan, Padma Lochan means beautiful
ये
eyes.
देखो,
Then
आज
you know it's
कोई
not
एक
good
काम
like
करो,
that.
कम से कम
Sarcastically,
11,000 रुपया दे दो।
they named him
11,000
Dan Chand because he never used to give anything in donation.
ऐसे काम एक काम कर,
So
11
this
रुपया
Brahmin
दे दो।
asked him and said,
अच्छा,
oh,
11
give me
रुपया
some dan, give me some money.
अच्छा, 11
So
रुपया
this
दे।
Brahmin who appeared, he said, oh, give me at least
हम दान करते ही
11,000.
नहीं।
Then okay. Then okay, if you can't give 1,100, then give me 1,100. No, I cannot. So he said, okay, at least give me 11 rupees. So he said, I don't give any dan, I don't give any donation. So the Brahmin said, okay, so you don't give it to me, then why don't you take it? Accept it from me. So you take from me what?
कोई दान कर देना, फिर हमें वापस कर देना।
Brahmin said, you can borrow money from me, I can loan you.
दानचंद देखा, भाई
take
ये तो
loan from me.
पुण्यतिथि है, पुत्री तो जबरदस्ती के भेजा, गंगा
And then
स्नान
afterwards,
तो
you can
किया।
give it back to me. After some time, you can give it.
बाद में
Dan
ये
Chand,
तो
so
हमें ये ब्राह्मण का हमारे पीछे बिल्कुल
this
ऐसे
is a
परिवार
very
छोड़ेंगे
auspicious
नहीं,
day, and my wife
चलो
told me to
कहने
go
बोले,
and have a
ठीक है।
snan in the Ganga.
एक पैसा तुमको, एक कौड़ी तुमको मैं दे दूंगा। काना कौड़ी है ना, उस समय चलता है।
This Brahmin is not going to leave me now. He's
तो ये काम
behind.
करना, मेरे घर पर आना,
Okay.
अब तो हमारे पैसे लेकर नहीं आया।
Okay, he said, I'll give one coin.
चालक था, वो पैसा लेकर नहीं चलते हैं।
Do one thing.
यदि चले ना यदि कोई घेर दिया फिर
Okay, so the Brahmin said, Dan Chand is all very clever. He said, I don't have any money. He never used to go, wherever he used to go out, he never used to carry money with
मैं
him.
गया क्या जयपुर में बस लेकर
So he
के
thinks, okay.
बस के सारे हमारे जो जाति जो था सब
So then what if he gives Dan?
18,000 19,000
Something happened to me
मेरे बाएं हाथ में
when we went to Jaipur in the bus.
सच बता रहा हूँ
All the devotees who were in the bus, I got the money from them, and it was about 18,000 rupees. And on one hand, I had all that money together,
हाथ में पैसे दिया
and I was holding.
पैसे देने के लिए मेरे हाथ
And
में
then,
दाएं हाथ
and then when we went to have darshan of Govinda Bhakta, Krishna Radha Govinda darshan, then all the devotees were giving me some money.
थोड़ी बात
So they gave me to me in the right hand, like, oh, you know. So I had money in my right hand and my left hand. And what did I do? The pujari brought this plate. So I gave all the money in there. And And then I said, then I realized, oh, I had some money in my pocket. Where's that money gone? So this police devotee, Rajesh, his name was devotee, and he said, "Are, whatever money you had in both your hands, you've given it to the pujari, and you paid both." So then Bhan Bihari Lal. So what happened? I gave everything, also 19,000 rupees I had in my other hand, also that also I gave it. So Pujari was very happy and he gave me mala and prasad. Ki jai. So this was the desire of Krishna. So Krishna took everything. That's it. So Krishna's desire that he wanted all the money. That sometimes also we didn't really want to give. I didn't really want to give all that money because it was the rent for the money for the bus. I had to give that money to the bus driver for the rent. So I thought I put it in the pocket, in the front pocket, so nobody can. I thought, oh, if they see money in my pocket, so what I did, I was instead of putting it in the pocket, I was holding it in my hand. So I was holding this 19,000 rupees. But what was the icha of Thakurji? I cannot do anything. I am my conscious. I was not going to give him 19,000. That's the money I had to give to the bus driver. And all the other, with my other hand, oh, they were, bhaktas were giving me some donation to give it to the temple. So with whatever money I had in two hands, I gave it in. So I put all the money in that tray. This is what happened to me. Yeah. But what can you do? This is the desire of Bhagwan. So Dan Chand saying, I can give you 1 coin. Okay, theek hai, koi baat nahi. He said, no problem. Dan Chand bichare. Are, is he going to come to collect this 1 rupee? 25 kilometers from my house. My house is 25 kilometers from here. So he thought, oh, who's going to come to collect this money? So he started to walk back home and he was walking all day. So 4 o'clock he reached home and he had a bath and the mother and the wife only made 2 rotis and sabji. That's it. Only 1 sabji. Dan Chand is kanju. He also himself didn't eat properly. He also never used to donate and give to others to eat. So Udhar, who are generous, they eat less, but they give others. They feed others more. But this Dan Chand, he didn't even eat properly himself, so he didn't feed others either. So, like small, so he gave bas, he made small, a little sabji with milk masala. And just like he was ready to have something to eat, there was a knock on the door and they said, hey, is this the house of Dan Chand? So wife opened the door and he said, oh, is this the Dan Chand's house? So he said, oh, I am the Panda from the Ganga Ghat. And who is Dan Chand? So he's Dan Chand. So the wife said, oh, he's my husband. So he said, oh, your husband has borrowed some money from me. And he said, oh, you come to my house and I'll give you the money. Because it was udhar, it was borrowed money. So I've come to collect the money. So wife said, did he borrow some money from you? Then the wife said, we normally never. So the wife went to the husband and said, hey, somebody's at the door and he said, you borrowed some money from you. Did you borrow money from somebody? So he realized, he said, yeah, the Ganga Ghat, I borrowed some money from him. For one kana, so he's here so quickly. He walked all the way, like 24 kilometers. So he was hungry all day. He was hungry, but he didn't start eating. So he said, do one thing. To his wife, he said, do one thing. So go and tell him that my husband will give you, but at the moment he's come from so far, he's very tired and he's not well. You come back after 2 or 3 days. Dan Chand said, I am not going to give. He thought, he's not going to come back. Go back 25 kilometers and come back. So you go and tell him that Dan Chand's health is not good and he's sick. So but the wife came and told him that, oh, my husband's health is not good, so you
मैं
come back after
ब्राह्मण
2 or 3
पंडित
days. So this
गुरु
Brahman is not ordinary.
और
So
तुम्हारे
Brahmin
पोते
said,
मेरा चेला हो गया ना,
Look.
यजमान हो गया। भाई ये बताओ पिता पुत्र के संबंध
I am
होता है कि नहीं?
Brahmin, I'm a Pandit.
है?
Guru.
जैसे गुरु शिष्य में पिता पुत्र के संबंध होता
Your
है।
Gurudev,
आप बताओ
your
किसी
husband
के
is
बेटा
my
बीमार हो
disciple.
जाए और उसके
So it's like
पिताजी
a
घर में आ
relationship
जाए
like a
उसके घर
father
में,
and son.
कैसे चले जाएंगे?
Yeah, you know, like the relationship with a guru and a disciple
मेरा
is like
बेटा
father
भी-
and son.
मैंने दानचांद बीमार हो गया,
So
मैं ये
if
बाहर बैठा
if the
रहता हूँ।
father comes to
देखो,
a
मैं
son's
जो ब्राह्मण
house
हूँ,
and the son
कच्चा
is
पक्का
not
खाने वाला
well,
हूँ।
then how can the father leave the
मैंने
son sick?
किसी के घर में जो
So
है,
I said, no, I'm not going.
रोटी सब्जी
I
नहीं
will
खाते।
stay out. I will sit here
ब्राह्मण हो
outside.
ना?
I'm a Brahmin.
जैसे यहाँ
But
पर
I eat
ब्राह्मण
only
देखा ना,
kacha
कालो
pakka.
ब्राह्मण देखा ना, चावल का नहीं खाएंगे। किंतु
I don't eat
मालपुआ
cooked
तीन
food.
बार ले लिया उन्होंने।
I don't eat cooked food from somebody's house.
कच्चा
I'm a
पक्का नहीं,
Brahmin.
उन्हें पक्का खाएंगे।
So
हाँ,
like
पूरी हो
tomorrow.
तो खा लेते हैं, पूरी और दिन
So
मिठाई
like
हो।
he
अब क्या
wouldn't
क्या
eat
क्या
chawal,
क्या
he wouldn't
थे?
eat rice. The Brahmin came here yesterday.
महाराज ने दिया था ना?
He will eat pakka.
Huh?
Yeah, you know, like rice he didn't eat. But
अरे
if you eat
नहीं,
this
फल
mitha,
फल
if
के
there's
जैसे
some
जरा
sweets
जरा
or
जरा
puri,
हाँ,
then they
एक बार
eat.
खाया, दोबारा आकर के बोले,
Maharaj ji gave
बोले,
something.
महाराज
What was
और एक बार
being?
दे दो, चक्का खा दो। बोले कि ये पक्का है,
It was something
और
like
चावल दाल ये सब
malpura.
कच्चा है, हम
So he
कच्चा
ate
नहीं
once
खाते, पक्का खाते।
or give one.
तो
Give
ये
to me.
ठाकुर जी, ये ब्राह्मण ही बोले, दानचांद
So he say, oh, this is
ब्राह्मण बोले,
pakka
देखो हम तो पक्का
and rice
ब्राह्मण
is
हैं।
kacha.
हम तो किसी के घर में कच्चा नहीं खाते हैं, ये काम करते हो देखो,
So the Brahmin
हमने
said-
व्रत भी रखा है, फलाहार की व्रत
The
रखा है।
Brahmin said,
ये काम
we
करो,
are
तुम्हारे
pakka
बाहर के
Brahmin.
घर में बाहर में बैठा रहता हूँ,
I don't
मैंने
eat
दो
anything
चार
small,
से
anything from
केला,
others' house.
अमृत,
And I'm also fasting. I'm
नाश्ता
eating
करके-
fruit.
पत्नी ने जाकर के बोले,
So I will sit
ये देखो,
outside.
ब्राह्मण तो जाना नहीं चाहते हैं।
Just
बोले
get
हैं,
me
क्या
some
बोले, मेरा
banana
बेटा के
and some
बीमार हो
अमरूद.
गया, जब तक बेटा
And some
दान-चांद
apple.
ठीक नहीं हो जाए, मैं
So
घर से
arrange
इसे
some
तक
fruits to
नहीं
buy. Give me some
तुम्हारे
fruit.
घर में बाहर बैठा रहूंगा।
So the
और
wife-
मेरे लिए केवल
The
फलाहार
wife
की
says
व्यवस्था
to
कर देना।
Danchand, so
Huh?
he's saying that Brahmin is
एक
saying
किलो
that I will
apple,
not leave until my
किलो
son gets
केला,
better.
और
So I'll
सेब,
wait
आप
outside
एक
and he
किलो
just
apple कितना
arrange some
पैसा हो
fruits
गया?
for me.
हिसाब लगा दो, 250 रुपया है,
1
100
kilo
रुपया।
apple,
तो ऐसे कहते
2 kilo
ये खाना
kela.
कौड़ी के लिए 500 रुपया खर्च करना पड़ेगा ना। हाँ जी,
How much is apple? 1 kilo of
बोले, एक काम
apple
कर,
is about
अभी जाकर के बोल
100
दे,
rupees.
दान-चांद अभी जाकर के बोले पत्नी को, एक काम कर, जाकर के बोल
So
देना,
for one,
ये
so he's
दान-
thinking like,
दान-चांद
oh, for
अभी-
1
अभी
rupee I have
मर
to
गया।
spend 500 rupees. So
पोतनी
so
बोले, कैसे
Danchand
बोल दूं?
is thinking like
अरे
that,
बोल
and so
देना,
Danchand
मर
said to
गया
his
तो
wife
किसके ऋण चुकाए? वो अपने बच
that go and tell him that, oh, he just
हाँ?
died.
अरे तुमने थोड़ी ऋण लिया, ऋण तो
But so wife
उधार
said,
तो मैंने लिया था।
how can I say that?
हाँ? तो
Are
मैं जब
yes,
मर
sorry,
गया,
go and
उसको
tell
बोल
him
दो,
that he's
तो वो चला
died.
जाएगा।
You know, if he's dead, then how can he is
भाई
going to
क्या
pay
कि
debts?
पत्नी भी ऐसी भी है।
Is you
पत्नी
didn't
बोल
borrow
दिया।
money from him. I
पत्नी भी
borrowed
आकर
the
के
money
बोले,
from, and if
ये
I
मेरा
die,
पति दे-
then he will go, he will live. Patni is like, wife
अभी ब्राह्मण भी कम नहीं है।
went
ब्राह्मण
went
कहते,
to him
देखो,
and said,
मेरा
oh,
बेटा
he's crying,
मर
weeping.
गया,
And she said, oh,
दान-चांद मर
my
गया,
husband's
इसको दाह
dead.
संस्कार तो मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा।
And the Brahman's not even saying, Brahman is also clever. He
ये भी
said,
कपट है।
my
बोले,
son
देखो साथ ही
is
साथ
dead.
दान वो ब्राह्मण
Oh
ने की
dear.
थी। है, हवा के
My
बाद
son
ही
has
सारे
died,
गांव
then I have to
गांव
do
पे जाकर के
sanskar. You know,
क्या कर दिया?
sanskar for him.
बस वो फैला दिया।
So what did
ये
the Brahman do?
दान-चांद मर गया।
So he went around the village and told everyone that Danchan is dead.
दान-चांद ने क्या किया? अभी क्या
And
किया है?
he passed all that news around the village and told them that Danchan is dead.
रोक करके रखे हैं।
So everybody came running from the whole village.
आप समझिए। तब
And
गांव
the
के लोग
Danchan
बोले, "अजय, मर
said-
गया, पत्नी करने लगे,
Danchan was lying
अरे
down
पत्नी
and
करने
he
लगी,
held his
पत्नी
breath.
करने लगी, मरे नहीं है? लड़कियां तो ऐसे समझते हैं, मरे नहीं है। देखा
Then
नहीं,
all
इसके
these
हाथ में
villagers
चल रही है,
came in.
सारे हाथ
The
पैर
villagers came.
सीधी हो गया। जब कोई मर जाता है ना, उसको देखना हाथ पैर सब
Wife is telling the villagers, "Arey, my husband's not dead." But the villagers are saying, "Arey, look at it, look at his limbs,
नहीं
they
नहीं
are
ये सांस
straight."
रोके, रुक रुक कर
You know, when
गए।
somebody dies, the limbs are straight.
ममता महा ममता है, मूर्छा के घर में रखना चाहते हैं। गांव वाले लोग जबरदस्ती करके
So the wife is saying, no, he's holding the breath, he's not dead.
उनके ऊपर सुला दी।
So they're saying to the wife, "Arey, wife, all these women are like that. You know, how can you keep a dead body in the house? So let's arrange for his funeral ceremony." So they made a bed of wooden like plank
मेरा अधिकार है।
and said,
हैं?
and so Brahman said, and the Brahmin
मेरा अधिकार
came,
है, मेरा बेटा है।
Brahman
मेरा
Panda
शिष्य
came and
होता है
said,
ना।
no,
हैं? इसे कहते
this is
मेरा बेटा है।
my
जो कुछ
my
करना है, मैं
adhikar,
करूंगा।
to do his
हट जा सब।
sanskar. He's my
तो
son,
साधारण
so
ब्राह्मण
I
थोड़ी
should do
थी।
agnya.
है, वो तो साक्षात भगवान थे ना,
He's my
ब्राह्मण
son.
के रूप में है।
So whatever has to be done, you
गाँव
move
वाले सब
around,
एक-
go away,
एक तरफ हो गया।
that I will do it.
आग लगाने तो वो दिल की
So
बात
he's
है,
not
भगवान
Brahmin,
उनकी
you
जात
know,
पात से
he's
चाहिए,
really
ब्राह्मण
Bhagwan.
कर लिए, दान
He's
चाह।
come in the roop of
एक
Brahman.
काम कर,
So all the villagers moved
अरे
aside,
एक कोड़ी का दान तो दे दे
and
तू
then he had to
मुझे।
put the fire.
तुम्हारे पास पैसा तो नहीं है,
And
कम
then so
नहीं है।
Brahman is telling Danchan that actually it's Bhagwan. He said,
तब भी आँख नहीं खोल रहे।
"Arey, give
अच्छा,
one
देख करने लगे, भगवान
that
कहने
one
माने
coin.
ब्राह्मण कहने लगे,
You have to give
अरे
it to
देख,
me.
ब्रह्मा,
Give it to
शिव
me."
आदि बड़े-बड़े देवता लोग मुझे दर्शन करने के लिए तरफते रहते
He
हैं।
didn't open his eyes.
मैं स्वयं भगवान हूँ, मैं ब्राह्मण नहीं हूँ।
Brahman told
मेरे चतुर्भुज
him
रूप के तू दर्शन कर।
that even
तेरे
the
गंगा
Lord
स्नान
Shiva
के
and
फल
Lord
व्यर्थ नहीं
Brahmas and
जाएगा।
all the demigods are so eager to
तेरे
get
गंगा
darshan
स्नान
of
के फल
me,
से फल
and
व्यर्थ
you are
नहीं
taking
जाएगा।
darshan of me, Chaturbhum.
ठीक है कि कंजूस है, तो
You,
जरूरत पूरे दिन के
the
संस्कार है,
fruit
दान
of
तो
your
नहीं। ये काम कर,
snan of Ganga will not be wasted.
मेरे स्वरूप के दर्शन कर। है, मैं
Okay, that's
ब्राह्मण
okay.
नहीं,
You
मैं
are
कौन हूँ मैं?
that is your nature to
दान
be
देखो, वो
miser,
लकड़ी पर सोए हुए हैं, उसको सुला तो
but
दिया।
now you take my darshan of
आँख
my
खोला,
swarup.
देखो,
I'm
चतुर्भुज
not
तो नहीं
Brahmin.
है, वो क्या?
I am.
कोई ब्राह्मण
I'm
खड़े हुए
Bhagwan.
हैं।
Danchan was lying down on the bed of wooden bed, and he said he opened the eyes. He opened his eyes, and what did he see? He saw the Brahmin, that same Brahmin. So he shut his
ये
eyes,
खाना को देख के मन लेके तैयार है।
and then he said, "Arey, Danchand, why did you close your eyes?
फिर उसके
Hey,
ऊपर
give one
लकड़ी
coin
रख देना,
back.
आग जलाने वाले गांव वाले बोले,
Are you ready to give
ब्राह्मण
that
ठाकुर,
one
तुम कब
coin?"
तक ऐसे करो, हम लोग गांव वाले यहाँ पर कब तक
He
बैठे
said,
रहे?
"Hey, I'm Bhagwan."
जल्दी जल्दी इसके
The Gaonwaras are putting all this.
आग जलाने। आग जला के वो
So
ये होता है
villagers
ना,
are saying, "How long are you going to stay here to the Brahmin, you know?
उसके पत्ता होता है ना,
Arey, let's do it. Put
उसके
the
घी
wood
आदि
down,
लगा
and how
करके
long are we
फुला
going to?
करके
We
आग
have to put a
जलाना।
fire on his body.
देखो ब्राह्मण उसकी भी
You know, you
वो
get
भी
a
जलाने
stick.
के लिए तेरे से आग भी जलाने में जलाने
You
के लिए
get a
तेरे
stick. At the
फिर कहने
end,
लगे, अरे
you put some
दानचान,
cotton and you put some ghee.
मेरा बात सुन,
You dip it in the ghee.
मैं ब्राह्मण नहीं हूँ।
So he's ready
ये
to
गाँव वाले तो
like
तुम्हें आग लगा
that
देगा,
stick.
जलाने
And he
के
said,
लिए।
"Arey, even
एक बार
Bhagwan is
आँख
saying,
खोल,
Arey, Danchan,
देख मैं चतुर्भुज के
I
दर्शन
am
कर।
not Brahmin.
फिर आँख खोला, देखे ये
These
ब्राह्मण
people,
है,
your
झटक
villagers
उसके
are very ready to put the light on.
भगवान
At least
कहने लगे,
open your
मैं
eyes
कितने
once.
बड़े-बड़े
And
असुरों के
I
जो है,
am
मैं
having
पछाड़ दिया।
ever darshan of my Chaturmukh. And then
कर
again
नहीं
he
सकता।
saw
तू
Brahmins.
इतने
Again he
कंजूस
shut
है,
his eyes.
जा,
Bhagwan said,
मेरे स्वरूप के तू
I
दर्शन
have
कर।
killed many demons, asuras.
जो मेरा स्वरूप के दर्शन करके ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े-बड़े
But you are
तपस्या
so
आदि करते हैं।
miser.
तूने गंगा स्नान
I
किया,
couldn't-
कोई भी बात है, तेरे हट,
You have darshan of my Swarup.
तुम्हारे ये हट के पास मैं क्या हो जाता है?
Brahma, and they are doing so much austerities to have the darshan of my Swarup. And you hurt, you are so stubborn.
ठीक है,
I failed, I have defeated, I'm
मेरे सब
defeated,
के दर्शन
I'm
कर।
defeated,
तू
you are
जो
so
दर्शन
stubborn.
जो बर मांग रहा है, बर मांग ले।
You had, today is a very auspicious day, you had a snan in Ganga.
ध्रुव,
You have darshan of the Swarup. Swarup, you have, I am, whatever you
ये आप
want,
यदि सचमुच वही भगवान हो,
you know,
आप
ask me
मुझे
something.
क्षमा
I am
करो।
willing to
मुझे
give you.
ये काना कौड़ी से
You have
आपको
the
देने के
darshan
मैंने
of
बात
me.
किया था ना, उस
And
ऋण से
then
मुझे
you ask what you want. Then so what did he ask? He said, if you are really Bhagwan, then you know that, maaf kar do, you know this debt I had of to pay you one coin.
काना कौड़ी वो भी
You know,
जो माफ कर दो, मैंने जो मैं तुम्हारे से ऋण लिया था वही माफ कर दो। कोई कंजूस
Pay
व्यक्ति
that
ऐसे
debt
नहीं
for me.
होता है। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी
So,
लाल की जय, जय
माफ कर दो।
जय श्री राम।
so forgive me for paying it. This is how conjus people are like. They